Welcome to our journey through the world of total quality management. In this video, we're diving into the 8 key principles that make TQM a game changer for businesses. So, let's get started. What is the definition? Total quality management TQM is a strategy focusing on ongoing improvement in processes, products, and services to exceed customer expectations. In TQM, every member of an organization actively contributes to quality enhancement, emphasizing customer satisfaction, employee involvement, and data-driven decision-making. The goal is to instill a pervasive culture of ongoing improvement and excellence throughout the entire organization. How does it all start? Our first stop is customer focus. Imagine you run a bakery. Listen to your customers' cravings and feedback. The icing on the cake? Happy customers who keep coming back. Now let's talk about employee commitment. Meet Alex, our dedicated employee at the bakery. When everyone's committed, teamwork rises like dough. Quality becomes a piece of cake. Moving on to the process approach. Think of your bakery as an assembly line. From kneading to baking, each step matters. When the process flows like a sweet melody, your cakes steal the show. Welcome to the integrated system. Picture this, your bakery is a well-oiled machine. Ingredients, processes, and people work together seamlessly. That's how you serve perfection on a plate. Next up, is the systematic approach. Imagine organizing your bakery like a recipe book. Everything has its place, and every step is followed. Chaos is the secret ingredient for disaster, right? Ready for a transformation? Continuous improvement is the name of the game. Meet our bakery evolving from cupcakes to gourmet desserts. Change is the only constant, and it's delicious. Time for data-driven decisions. Meet Lisa, our data guru. Analyzing sales trends and customer preferences, data is the secret sauce for making decisions as sweet as your treats. Last but not least, communication. Imagine your bakery team as a well-choreographed dance. Clear communication is the key to avoiding cake catastrophes and ensuring a smooth operation. And there you have it. Remember, whether it's baking or business, TQM is your recipe for success. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.